Hi neighbor, my name is Hannah and welcome back to my channel, Pretty Hippie Me. Today's video is going to be about some Halloween costumes that you can make really quick and easy with just a sheet. I can say just a sheet, right? Because it's like a sheet plus safety pins. Costume number 1, your classic ghost. Costume number 2, the evil witch from Snow White before she turns into Pretty Maleficent. Costume number 3, an angel. "24 inches feels right to me. Divided by 4, that brings it to 6 inches. Use the corner where there are no ends sticking out and all sides are folds. Costume number 4, Marilyn Monroe. Oh, I've gained weight. Right now I feel comfortable around 40 inches. Divided by 4, of course, that means 10 inches. It's a little bit too big. I do have a solution for this though, so don't worry. For now, let's talk about the length of the skirt. For me, 27 inches looks like an appropriate length for the dress we're trying to recreate. Now let's talk about the top of this dress. We have the extra fabric that we saved from before. Plenty of it. Find 2 corners. Ideally the 2 corners that are still sewn together instead of the corner that we cut the strip off of at the beginning. Attach these corners behind your neck. You can tie or safety pin. I'm going to put my hair up first. Very carefully start to cut off some excess. We're going to tuck this in, so leave enough material for that to happen. I'm looking in a mirror while I do this. It's a-okay if this line is not perfect. As far as I'm concerned, to make it nice and secure, should pin it as many places as you can. By now we pretty much have the front of the dress coming together. So now we need to cut off all this extra stuff. Start with the big obvious cuts. So I've done a lot of cutting and pinning, and I have tucked the edges of my top into my broad strap to get some clean lines around the edges. Back to the sheet remnant. We have all of these long strips of fabric left around the edges, so cut as many of them into straight lines as you can. I've pinned that last sash in the back. You can see there's a lot of fabric overlapping. You can adjust it and pin it. Now you have a very pleated waist, just like Marilyn did in her dress. The final piece, the piece that we cut off at the very beginning, wrap it around your waist, a nice clean bow. Doing a dress this way by basically making it while you're wearing it, you'll get the best results if you're wearing just the undergarments you plan to wear. I wore a tank top and pants because I'm filming, but if you're just wearing the bra and shorts or underwear that you want to wear that day, then you'll be able to just walk right out the door and go trick-or-treating. This dress isn't perfect, but it's pretty good for a quick job. The more time you spend on a dress like this, the better it will come out. Finally, the more silky and smooth of a sheet that you use, the more dress-like the final result will be. But I think we did a pretty good job for a standard full-size cotton bed sheet. I hope this was helpful in some way. And of course, before you go trick-or-treating, don't forget your mask. Hey! Forgot to say, if you liked this video, found it fun, helpful, whatever, hope you subscribe. Thanks.